Hello friends, my name is Naveen. Now I am going to teach you Vedic maths. First of all, we start with addition by using dot method. In general addition, we add from the top to bottom in the column. But in this Vedic maths dot method, we count from the bottom to top. When we get the total value 10, we put a dot on the number and the value which is exceeding 10. Whenever we get the sum value more than 10, count the number of dots in the first column and add them to the next column, numbers from bottom to top. Okay, now before going to problems, let's know the dot means. Taking the dots after getting the value 10, I will give some instructions. Okay, please follow this. Here we have the numbers from 10 to 19, how to convert into dot. Okay, 10 means dot 0, 11 means dot 1, 12 means dot 2, 13 means dot 3. Means if you get 13 in the addition, we should take as dot 3, we should call it as dot 3. Means instead of 13 we should call it as dot 3. Okay, 14 equals to dot 4, like this until 19 equals to dot 9. And from 1 to 9, I didn't explain here, from 1 to 9 we should take normal method addition. Means here we are taking from 10 to 19 only. Okay, these dot methods, dots. Okay, and after 19, 20, 21, 22 we cannot take the dots. Okay, we can take only the rule is here is what, the main condition from 10 to 19 we can take the dots in place of tens digits. Okay, means dot is nothing but the dot, nothing but 10. Dot is nothing but 10. Okay, now let me explain with some examples here. The first one here. Here, okay, I already told you we should start from bottom to top. We should go from bottom to top. Means it is an addition. What is this? Addition. Okay, we are doing addition here. Now start from here. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Then 10 is nothing but what here? Dot 0. Means what should we take here? Dot 0. We should take like this. Okay, okay, before, okay, above the digit whatever we got, the last digit, okay, the above digit we should take here, the 10, 11, whatever you got, 11 or 12, anything. Okay, convert into dots. Okay, then dot 0. Okay, this is the ones place. Here ones place will not be changed. Okay, the same thing we should not change. Okay, the whatever the top most digit in ones place we got, that write directly in here. Okay, right here, and count how many dots we got here. Only one dot now. Then write in place of tens. Okay, then what is the answer? 10. Answer is 10. Now second example. Okay, let us start from here. We should start from bottom only. Okay, 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is nothing but 15. Means we should take it as dot 5. Okay, what is that? Dot 5. Take here dot and take here 5. The ones digit is not changing here, and you should write as it is the 5. And now these two have to add here. Okay, you should forget about this. Okay, for a while this dot. Okay, just add ones digits to the next digit. Okay, whatever we got here, 5 we got. Then 5 plus 8 13. Again 13 means what? Dot 3. Okay, whenever you got more than means greater than 10, 10 or greater than 10, then we should convert into the dots. Now what we got here, 13 means dot 3. Okay, dot 3. Okay, better to round up this. Okay, now 3 plus 2 how much? The same thing here. Sorry. Okay, 3 plus 2 how much? 5. Then 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, 8 we got. 8 is a single digit. Okay, once digit only. Whatever we got in the topmost once digit, we should write as it is here. I told you in the example 1. Okay, means here we took the 0 here because it is ones place digits. Okay, now same thing, count after writing this ones digit. Okay, now count the dots. How many dots we have here? 2 dots, 1 and 2. Okay, these are the examples which are adding only single digit. Okay, adding single digits. Now okay, next we are going to add double digits. How to add double digit means. Okay, friends, do you like this method? Okay, if you understood, if you like this method, then follow this addition and subtraction addition method or dot method. Okay, take some examples and do it. Okay, and calculate these answers with a normal method. If you get the same answers with a normal method, okay, means you are doing a good. In the next video I will explain double digit and triple digit addition. Okay, double digit numbers, triple digit numbers addition, how to do. Okay, we can take a number of digits. Okay, we can take like this we can take 10, 13, 20 number of digits in a line, in a column. Okay, at a time we can add. Okay, with this dot method, addition dot method. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and follow my videos. I'll explain easy methods, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, with the easy methods. Okay, thank you, bye.